your skin is looking dull, uneven, tired, or lifeless, then vitamin C is just like a light inside the bottle for you to wake up your glow and make your skin shine like you sleep 8 hours every night, even when you don't, even when you know you don't. Okay, now vitamin C helps to fade your dark spots, it helps to brighten dull skin, it helps to protect your face from sun damage and sun pollution. Of course, we all know that vitamin C is an antioxidant, right? All right, but you must choose the right vitamin C serum that works for African skin. Listen to what I'm saying. Choose the right vitamin C that works for African skin and works for hot weather. Like some serums, there are some serum that turn brown, meaning that they have lost the power and will no longer give you that glow that you're looking for, that glow that you paid for. There are some vitamin C serums that will not work for you. Number one serum on my list is what? The Garnier vitamin C serum. Now, this one serum is affordable, it is easy to get everywhere in Nigeria, and it gives you that smooth, that bright effect on your skin without burning. Okay, this particular vitamin C here is a very good one. Go and get it. Why? Because it fades acne marks, slow but steady, sure. All right, stay consistent with sunscreen daily, because vitamin C without sunscreen is a waste of money. Now, the number 2 on my list is what? This Balance Active Formula vitamin C serum. This particular vitamin C serum is budget friendly. We already know Balance is a budget friendly product, right? It is strong for glow. Of course, it's going to give you glow, it's going to improve your texture, and it's very, very good for beginners. If you are starting your skincare routine, please get this one. It doesn't irritate the skin, okay? It gives you a fresh look after use. Now, the number 3 on my list is what? The Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% plus Alpha Arbutin. Now, this particular one is one of my loves. Why? This one has double power. It gives glow, it fades hyperpigmentation, it helps brighten stubborn marks, stubborn spots, and uneven skin tone. It does all of that for you. Tell me why you will not go and get this particular one. But this one is good for night time. Don't use it during the day. It's good for night time. Okay? And always use a sunscreen. You already know I'm going to tell you to use sunscreen the next day. All right, so that your skin does not react under the sun. Number 4 on my list is what? Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. This one is very popular in Africa. It's popular in Nigeria, okay, because the price is very, very low. It's budget friendly. It's original. Buy original one. Quality matters. So please look for the original one. Buy from trusted places. Okay. Now, what does it do? It moisturizes the skin. It brightens you gradually, and it works better when combined with niacinamide during the night. Combine it. This particular one, it needs you to combine it with other products for it to work. Doesn't mean it doesn't work, but combine it in a routine. Number 5 on my list is what? The La Roche-Posay Pure Vitamin C10 serum. This particular one is luxury, and if you have the money, if money day, go, you enjoy, because this one, it gives fast results. Okay, it makes your skin appear smoother, brighter, it gives you that bright complexion that you're looking for, and it makes your makeup look flawless. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can use this one. Now, let's add number 6. Okay, number 6 is what? The Advanced Clinical Vitamin C serum. This one is a big bottle. It's very big. I like it because it's big and it lasts long. For people who you are conservative, you want something that will last long, this one is good for you. It will brighten your skin, and it will clear your dark spots, and work for hyperpigmentation. It also works for knees and necks. Okay, you improve your skin tone slowly but steadily without irritation, and the price is still friendly. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7 is what? The COSRX vitamin C serum. This one is stronger. It's formulated, it has strong concentration. Okay, so it's powerful. It fades dark spots, it works for acne scars, it works for sun damage. This vitamin C serum works very well if you store it in the fridge. You know, if you have watched my video, I did a review about this one. Store it in the fridge so it doesn't go brown. That's the mistake I made. And then use sunscreen the next day, okay, to protect your results. Now, use vitamin C in the morning, in your morning routine, after cleansing and before moisturizing. That's when you're going to use vitamin C. All right, then use sunscreen. This is a tip I'm giving you for those of you that don't know that there are a lot of things you should put into consideration once you're using vitamin C. That's what I'm telling you. Don't waste your effort, don't waste your money. Always use sunscreen. Put some vitamin C in the fridge so it does not oxidize. Okay, now be patient and be consistent because it's vitamin C. All right, glow takes discipline, glow takes consistency, and don't stress yourself. Remember, store your vitamin C in a cool, dark place so it does not spoil quickly, it does not oxidize. Put it in the fridge, and if you see it turning yellow or brown, please throw it away immediately because it has gone. There's nothing there for you to use again. So that means that it's no longer working. Once it turns color, it's no longer working. It's going to be a damage for you, and it could even harm your skin barrier. So once your vitamin C turns yellow or brown, throw it away. No matter your skin tone, vitamin C plus sunscreen every single day equals what? A glowing skin, equals a smooth skin, equals a youthful skin, and you are also going to get healthy skin. All right, so ensure that you use vitamin C and be consistent. Now, there are a lot of vitamin C serums out there that I didn't mention. It doesn't mean that those ones are not good enough, okay, but what it means is that these ones I just recommended for you are ones that I have used and I know that they work. I've used them and I know that they work. All right, that's why I'm recommending it for you. If you watching me are using any other vitamin C serum other than the ones that I just listed for you, and you know that they work, please put it in the comment section, because you may just be saving someone's life, you may just be helping someone's skin, you know. So put it in the comment section and explain to us why that vitamin C is so good for you. Tell us your skin type, your skin issue while you're using the vitamin C, and put the price in the comment section. Most of these vitamin C that I just listed, they are budget friendly, they are student friendly. I mean, they are very affordable. The only two that you may think is pricey is the second to the last one, that's La Roche-Posay, and clinical advanced clinical and COSRX. Those three may be a bit pricey for students, but if you know that you can afford the money, if you have the money, please do well to do what? To buy it, because you are going to enjoy it. And when you buy it, make sure that you store it very well. It's not about buying serums. A lot of you have the money to buy a lot of serums. You can even buy 10 if you want. It's not about buying serums just like that. It's about using it correctly. It's about storing it correctly. It's about layering it correctly. Do you understand? And it's about being consistent. Know your skin type. Know how to use the serums that you're getting. Use it correctly. Know how to store it correctly. And know how to layer it correctly. Imagine you're going to layer vitamin C on top of retinol, or layering vitamin C on another active that don't sit well with each other. You just spoiled your routine. So know how to layer your products, know how to layer your actives, and it will work well for you. So if you have enjoyed one or two from this video, if you have gotten one or two from this video, please put it in the comment section. Okay, let me know what you think, and if you're having any skin concerns or any skin issue, or you want me to educate you about any skin issue that you're experiencing, put it in the comment section. I'm going to make a video about it for you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay glowing.